Hello and welcome to this video on how to apply to the non-credit esports class. If you don't have an LACCD student ID, then you can start here. If you already have a community college student ID, then skip to 3 minutes and 25 seconds to see how to enroll into the class. So first, open up the Mission College website and click on Apply Online. Then click on Apply Now under the non-credit application. Then click on Create an Account and enter in an email to receive a verification code. Check your email and copy the code and then verify your email address. Check the box to agree to the terms and enter in some basic information about yourself. Now create a password following the criteria and click on Create Account. Now click on Start Application. Select a semester, educational goal, and major or program of study. If you're not sure what to choose, just select Move from non-credit coursework to credit coursework and choose Competitive Esports Event Producer Certificate Competency, and then continue. Answer the next two questions about using a previous name and current mailing address. Then answer the questions about your education, and after that you can optionally enter in your demographic information. Lastly, you can choose to consent or not consent to the release of your information. If you're not sure what this is, then I recommend not giving consent and changing it later when you have a better understanding of what it is. Read and check the last two boxes and click on Submit. Check your email in about 1 to 2 business days for the confirmation email and continue to the next step in setting up your LACCD login. In the email you get from LACCD, you will need to copy your student ID and click on the link to open mycollege.laccd.edu. Paste or enter in your student ID, and since it's your first time logging in, you will need to use your temporary password that follows a specific formula. Click on First Time Signing In and look at the highlighted section. The default formula is the first character of your first name and last name capitalized. So for me, that's JP. Then the month of your birthday with the first letter capitalized. And for me, that is July. And then the date of your birthday. And for me, that's 13. Then the @ sign and LACCD exclamation mark. That LACCD is in all caps. So it should look like this. Now go back and enter all that in. Then it's going to have you change it to your own password, so you have to enter it again as your old password. Then create your new password that is at least 14 characters long. And finally, log in with your own password and we are ready to enroll into the class. Okay, so now that you're logged in, click on Manage Classes, then click on Search over on the left. Type in VOC space ED space 88, Voc Ed 88 in the search bar, and it will show you all the esports classes available. There might be 1 or 3 classes here, depending on when you're signing up. Click on the one you want to enroll in, and then click one more time on the light greenish box. Then click on Next on the top right, and then Accept, and then Submit. And that's it, you're in. Now just wait for an email with further instructions and a meetup location.